Still adding up expenses one by one in Excel? That's not just boring, it's a huge time drain. Today, I'll show you how to master the SUMIF function. It's a powerful tool that instantly calculates totals based on any condition you choose. Let's get started. Here's our dataset. In column A, departments, column B, expense type, and column C, amount spent. Now, let's say we want to find the total travel expenses across all departments. First, click the blank cell where you want the result. Type equals SUMIF and open parenthesis. Now, select the criteria range, the expense type column, B2 to B12. Add a comma. Next, type the condition, in quotes, travel. Add another comma. Finally, select the numbers to add, the amount column, C2 to C12. The full formula looks like this. Press enter, and Excel instantly gives us the total travel expenses, $4,200. Instead of typing travel directly, let's make it dynamic. In cell E2, type travel. Now, update your formula. Finally, press enter. Now, whenever you change E2, Excel updates the total instantly. Perfect for quick expense analysis. SUMIF isn't just for text conditions. It also works with comparison operators like greater than or less than. Let's say we want to calculate the total of all expenses greater than $500. Click a blank cell and type equals SUMIF. First, select the range you want Excel to check. That's our amount column, C2 to C12. Add a comma. Next comes the condition, in quotes, type greater than 500. This tells Excel to only look at numbers above 500. Add another comma. Finally, select the same amount column again, C2 to C12, because that's where the values will be summed. So the full formula looks like this. Now press enter, and instantly, Excel gives you the total of only the big-ticket expenses. No need to filter or calculate manually. And that's it. SUMIF is a game changer for managing expenses, budgets, or any category-based totals. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.